each other?
Good morning, Mama.
Okay, good. How are you today?
Mom.
How are you today?
I'm fine, and you?
Okay,
I'm
I'm
fine.
fine too. Thank you.
And you?
Okay, before we are going to the lesson, please pray together. Okay, selesai. Today we are going to discuss about the new material. Sebelumnya saya sudah mengupload in Google Classroom about new material. Okay, so today kita akan belajar tentang apa? Yang kemarin sudah saya share. Oke, Rizky, hari ini kita akan belajar tentang apa? Okay, good. Today we are going to learn or discuss about cause and effect. Thank you, Anida. Please look at the slide. Okay, would you like to say something about the picture? What do you think about the picture?
Coronavirus.
Okay, good. It is coronavirus. Jadi the picture is coronavirus. What about it? Okay. The second picture. Okay. Please.
Coronavirus causes people sick.
Okay, coronavirus causes people sick. Oke, ini siapa yang menjawab barusan?
Sabu.
Oke, Sasa, good. Coronavirus causes people sick. Jadi coronavirus menyebabkan orang sakit. Oke, next. Oke, next. Aas, please say something about the picture.
Buang sampah sembarangan menyebabkan banjir.
Oke, buang sampah sembarangan menyebabkan banjir. Oke,
Banjir.
next. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the paragraph. Okay, please, Rizky, read the second paragraph.
Okay, what causes us to be heavily infected with this virus was that we don't maintain our health, don't maintain our diet, and always leave the house without use a mask so that we can easily breathe the used air. Therefore, we were always encouraged to isolate independently for 2 weeks.
Okay, good. Thank you, Rizky. Would you like to ask me about something? Ada yang bertanya? Oke.
Kata yang diwarnai maksudnya?
Oke, Rizky.
Kata
Oke,
yang
good.
diwarnai.
Oke, Rizky ask me apa maksud dari kata yang kita warnai. Oke, good. Thank you, Rizky. This is the text structure. Jadi struktur teksnya we are using past tense, present tense, noun, phrase, and conjunction and the other. This is the verb to. Verb to itu tentang past tense. The first is originate, was is second to be atau to be kedua, to be bentuk kedua dari past tense. Emerged, infected, was, left, and the other. Ini yang saya warnai. The red verb is verb to. Jadi ini kita menggunakan struktur teksnya past tense. Ya, using past tense. Past tense itu ciri-cirinya adalah using verb to and to be bentuk kedua. The blue one is, yang biru ini adalah signal word. Signal word itu kata yang biasa kita gunakan ketika akan membuat cause and effect. The red one is language feature of past tense using verb to. The green color is past perfect tense using had and verb 3. Jadi kita gunakan language feature-nya menggunakan past tense and perfect tense. Past tense is using verb to, and this is the past perfect tense using green. Okay. And the blue one is signal word. Jadi ini ada signal word yang kita gunakan ketika kita akan membuat cause and effect. In this paragraph, there are three structure of cause and effect. The first is general statement. content and interpretation. General statement, it mean gambaran secara umum. Jadi ini menjelaskan secara umum dari coronavirus. Oke, the second is content. Content it mean isi. Isi dari paragraf tersebut. And the last is interpretation. Ini biasanya adalah pendapat dari orang yang membuat atau yang menulis paragraf tersebut. Oke, so cause and effect it mean cause the reason for something happen. Jadi alasan sesuatu terjadi. Effect what happen. Cause and effect explain why thing happen. Jadi menjelaskan sesuatu atau mengapa sesuatu terjadi. Di sini ada beberapa sinyal word yang digunakan. Seperti tadi dalam paragrafnya ada because, cause, and causes. Okay, this is the language feature. Tadi using past tense, perfect tense, non-phrase, conjunction, and the other. Okay. The structure, there are general statement, content, and interpretation. Oke, ini cause and effect. Oke, ini the example of cause and effect. Oke, raining, cause-nya itu raining, effect-nya it is make rainbow, banjir, and yang terakhir gambar apa kira-kira ini? Ketika hujan biasanya tumbuhan
Bermunculan.
Oke, good. Bermekaran ya. Oke.
Bertumbuh.
Oke, good. Biasanya tumbuh. Oke, ini adalah pattern atau ketika kita akan membuat when we will write a sentence, ketika kita akan membuat sentence, ini adalah aturan yang kita gunakan, patternnya. Oke, for more information, oke, you can see YouTube. Ya, ini adalah channel YouTube, bisa kalian lihat setelah pembelajaran ini. Please open your Google Classroom and open the LKPD about the cause and effect, and so please discuss with your friend in 10 minutes. Discuss with your friend the assignment in LKPD. Jadi buka LKPD-nya, assignment-nya apa, discuss with your friend. Oke, next kita akan kembali lagi ke Google Meet. Oke, so I give you just 10 minutes. Okay, now we are going to present about your result of your discussion with your friend. Okay, the first I would like invite the first group. Okay, please. Okay, read your answer. Silakan dibacakan grup pertama. Perwakilan 1. For number 1.
Parodian.
Okay. Next.
Emergent.
Okay, good. The third is?
Incident.
Okay, good.
Invested.
Okay, good. Cause and effect is explain why thing happen. Jadi menjelaskan tentang bagaimana sesuatu terjadi. Tadi language feature yang digunakan apa saja?
Using past tense
Okay,
and
good.
past
And past
perfect
perfect
tense.
tense. Okay, this chapter there is 3. The first is general statement. The second is content, and the third is interpretation. Okay, I think enough. Thank you for today. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.